Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Our today's topic is selection test and interviews. Yes, as we know that individuals differ in many respects including job related abilities and skills. So in order to select a right person for the right job, individual differences in term of abilities and skills need to be adequately and accurately measured for comparison, and this comparison is done through a device that is called selection test. So what is selection test? That selection test is a device that uncovers the information about the candidate which is not known through application blind and interview. In this way, selection test is an adjunct to a selection method. Meaning of selection test? Selection test is an objective and standardized measure of sample behavior. It is considered standardized because the procedure of administrating the test, the environment in which the test is conducted, and method of calculating individual score are uniformly applied. It is called objective because test measures the individual differences in terms of their abilities and skills following an unbased and scientific method, avoiding interference of human efforts. Now, definition of job selection test. According to Lee J. Gronbach, a test is a systematic procedure for comparing the behavior of two or more persons. Next, according to Milton and Blum, a test is a sample of an aspect of an individual's behavior, performance, and attitude. Now, purpose of test. First purpose of test is tests are important for the selection and placement of new employees, for appraising employees for promotional potential, for counseling employees to enable them to perform better in their jobs. Now come to the types of tests. Test covered under each category, test, we can say that there are two types of test. First is ability test and personality test. Ability test includes four types. The first is aptitude test. Uh, Aptitude test measure ability and skills of the testee. Yes, it measure ability and skills of the testee. So these tests measure the indicate how well a person would be able to perform after training and not what he or she has done. So thus aptitude tests are used to predict the future ability performance of a person. The next is achievement test. Achievement test measure a person's potential in a given area job. Yes, it measures the potential in a given area job. In other words, these test measures what a person can do based on skill or knowledge already acquired by him or her. So achievement tests are mostly used for admission to specific courses in the academic institution. Next is intelligence test. Yes, intelligence test measure general ability for intellectual performance. So the core concept underlying intelligence test is mental age. This test is based on mental age. It's totally focused on mental age. So it is totally based on mental age. And next is judgment test. These tests are designed to know the ability to apply knowledge in solving a problem. So all these are types of ability test. Now come to the personality test. Personality tests are those it is called personality inventories also. So these tests measure predispositions, motivations, and lasting interest of the people. So personality test include four types. The first is interest test. Yes, these tests are designed for discover a person's area of interest and to identify the kind of work that will satisfy him or her. Next is personality test. Yes, these tests are also known as personality inventories. So, these tests are designed to measure the dimensions of personality, like personality traits such as interpersonal competency, dominance, submission, extroversions, introversions, self confidence, ability, ambitions, etc. etc. The next is projective test. Yes, these tests are based on pictures or incomplete items. So the test is asked for narrate or project his own interpretation on these. The way the test response reflects his or her own value, motives, attitude, personality, etc. So these tests are called projective because they include the testee to put himself or herself into the situation to project or narrate the test situation. Next is attitude test. Attitude test, these tests are designed to know the testee's tendencies towards the favoring or otherwise to people, situation, actions and a host of such other things. So attitude tests are known from the response of the testee response because emotional overtones involved make it difficult to directly observe or measure attitude of the testee. Now come to the job selection interview. What is job selection interview? Job selection interview is one of the assessment and evaluation techniques for a candidate's interview. It is a type of oral examination. Selection interview is the next process of conduct of test. Even though written tests and psychological tests are conducted, still one-to-one communication between individuals always remain the crucial part in selection of a candidate. Behavioral traits, presence of mind, and psychological bearing capacity can be tested through the interviews. Now come to the role of interviews. The first role of interview is accurate final selection. Yes, interview facilitates to obtain additional information about the candidate through personal contact. So after the detailed scrutiny of all the information about the candidate, the final selection can be made easily. Next is providing details about the company to the candidates. Yes, as the company would like to know the detailed information about the candidate, same way the candidate is also eager to know about the work culture, nature of job, working schedule, etc. in the company. So interview provides the opportunity to candidates to know more about the company. Next is use experience and knowledge of the expert interviews. Yes, whenever the interviews are conducted, there is generally a panel of interviewers consisting of more than 3 members. All of them are working for a company for a long time, and when the selection interview takes place, it is their knowledge and experience which is going to give the best result in terms of a suitable and appropriate candidates. Now come to the types of interview. There are various types of interview. The first is formal interview. It is held to formal atmosphere with pre-decided and planned procedure and questions. Next is informal interview. There is no specific procedure followed in this case. They are conducted at any place and any type of questions can be asked to the candidates. Next is stress interview. Yes, it is conducted to evaluate the behavior of the candidate under stressful condition. How does a candidate react to stress? So whether they remain quiet and calm or become stressed can be judged by the creating different stressful conditions around and the case with which they gets out of it indicates their stress handling capacity in future. Next is situational interview. Situational interview, an imaginary situation is told to the candidates and they are asked to respond to it. Next is a directive interview. In this type of interview, it is a structured interview. Same set of questions is repeated for every candidate to make the comparison among the answers received from them. Next is non-directive interview. It is non-structured interview. There is no specific format and any questions can be asked to candidate. Candidates are free to express themselves under this type. Next is panel interview. Uh, a selection committee appointed for interviewing candidates is called a panel. So it generally consists of 3 or more members who collectively perform the task of selection. The final decision is taken with the consent of all panel members. Next is group interview. Yes, in group interview, the candidate are supposed to form groups and one group together will be interviewed at one time. It is a sort of group discussion or the person's ability to lead, their presence of mind and communication can be evaluated under these techniques. Next is depth interview. Yes, all the minutes detail of important nature are asked to the candidate to have the extensive information about them. So all these are types of interview. I hope all you understand this topic. Thank you so much.